Hey guys, welcome to Slow Road Society. This week we'll be in South Lake Tahoe. We're spending 2 nights out in DL Bliss Campground, and we'll be 2 nights in Sugar Pine Campground. We'll also be paddleboarding out in Sand Harbor. Come along and see what we have in store. Hey guys, here we are at MacDuff's Pub House here in South Lake Tahoe. This place came highly recommended to us by a couple of friends, so we're gonna check it out and see what they have to offer.
Karen, what did you order? Steak stew.
After wrapping up an incredible afternoon paddleboarding at Baldwin Beach, it was time to head to the campground. Tonight we're heading over to Sugar Pine Point Campground on Tahoe's quieter west shore. The next morning, we packed up early and made our way to one of Lake Tahoe's most iconic destinations, Sand Harbor. If you're planning to visit during the summer, be sure to plan ahead. Vehicle reservations are required for entry before 10:30 a.m., and the most popular dates can book up quickly. Reservations can be made online up to 90 days in advance, so booking as early as possible is your best bet. After 10:30 a.m., entry is first come, first served if parking is still available. Hey friends, welcome back. We left Sugar Pine Campground in Lake Tahoe, and now we're in Truckee, and we're going to explore the Donner Tunnels. It's about a 2.5-mile hike through them, total about 5 miles, so come along and see what we find.
right, we just made it out of the tunnels. If you're ever in the Truckee area, definitely worth a check out. It's pretty dark in there, a little bit cold, so bring a flashlight, maybe a light sweater, and that'll really help. So that's gonna do it for this trip. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. That really does help us out with the algorithm, and we'll see you in the next one.